Good morning students. Hope you all are fine and taking care of yourself and your parents too. So let's continue with our chapter article. So in my previous video I have already explained about the first four uses of the article the, and before that I explained about the article a and an, and after that I explained the four uses of article the. So today let's start with the fifth use of the article the. The fifth use of article is we use the with superlative forms. So as I told you about the superlative forms when I was explaining the adjectives, that when we write the superlative form of the adjective during the time of degrees of comparison, for comparing one thing with the whole group, when we write the superlative degree, with that superlative degree we always use the article the. So let's take one example. So example is Harish is the most successful tennis player. So I am writing here Harish is the most successful tennis player. So here we can see the superlative form of the adjective successful is given. Okay, the superlative form is given here. So with this superlative form we are using the article the. The superlative form of successful is most successful. Okay, the superlative form is the most successful, and with this most successful, before writing most successful, we are writing here the. Let's take one more example here. So the example is Rani is the tallest girl in the class. Here we can see that again we have used the superlative form of the noun tall, of the adjective tall. So here as we used the superlative form of the adjective tall, that is tallest. So before writing tallest, the superlative form, we have used the. So always remember, whenever we use the superlative forms, in that case we use the before writing the superlative form. Okay. The next one is here. The sixth use is given here. The is used with adjectives like first, last, only, sole, etc. So with all these type of adjectives, whenever we write all these type of adjectives, before writing the adjective we use the. So let's take one example here to understand it. That means, you can say that means we put the which when these words appear before a noun. Okay. So what I said, that the is used with adjectives like first, last, only, sole, etc. So here we put the when these words appear before a noun. Let's take some examples here. So example is he is the sole survivor. He is the sole survivor of the plane crash. So here we can see that before sole we have written the article the. Okay. Now let's take one more example here. We can write one more example to understand it. The example is, you can say that you are the only person he will listen to. Okay, so what I said, you are the only person he will listen to. So again we can see that before writing only, we have adjective only, we written the. Okay, so but remember that when any of these words, okay, when any of these words, first, last, only, sole, etc., so any of these words are not adjectives, that means they don't come before a noun. Here we can see that soul is coming before noun survivor, only is coming before noun person. If these words don't come before a noun, we normally don't use the. Okay, we normally don't use the before them because they don't modify a noun. So in that cases, they don't modify a noun. The seventh use of the is used with expressions like some of, a few, none of, most of, etc. With all these expressions also we use the. For example, we can write here some of the villagers, or here we can take next one, a few of the parrots, or we can also write here the next one, we can take none of the students. So that also we can write here none of the students, most of the scientists. So in this way, with all these we are using the. And remember again one thing here, that we are writing the just before the noun. If nouns are not given with these expressions, we need not to use the. Next point, 8th point is given here. The has a generic use to refer to all examples of something. That means the refer to a group of people or things in general. Let's take one example here. I am writing the example. The goalkeeper is an important part of a team. The goalkeeper is an important part of a team. So here in this sentence, I am not referring to a specific goalkeeper. Okay, I am not referring to a specific goalkeeper, but all goalkeepers in general. Okay, I am referring to all goalkeepers in general, that all these goalkeepers are the important part of a team. So let's take one more example here. The example is, the blue whale is the largest animal. The blue whale is the largest animal. So here again we can see that I am not referring to a blue whale, to one blue whale, but I am referring to all blue whales in general. Here we can see that one more use of the grammar of the is given, that is the superlative form, the largest. As I told you, we use the before the superlative form. So here we use the before the superlative form, as well as here we used the in general to refer all the blue whales. The ninth use of the is we use the with adjectives to make them nouns. So it is very common to use the plus an adjective, to make the adjective a noun. So let's take one example to understand it well. So we can say that the poor. Here the poor, we are not talking about one person, we are talking about all the poor people. If I say the talented, the unknown, or we can say also the elderly. So all these are the examples of the plus an adjective. So let's make sentences here to understand it well. So the first sentence is she has given a lot of money to the poor. She has given a lot of money to the poor. So here the poor refers to the poor people. Okay, here poor is not used as an adjective. It refers to the poor people. Why? Because just before poor we have written the article the. So let's take one more example here. The elderly require special attention. The elderly require special attention. Here again we can see that we are talking about the elderly people. Okay, here elderly means that we are talking about the elderly people, that the elderly people require special attention. So let's take the next use. The 10th use is the is used with the names of some geographical areas like rivers, mountains, mountain ranges and oceans, etc. So with all these also we use the. So let's take some examples here to understand it well. So the first example is they are traveling in the Arctic. They are traveling in the Arctic. So here Arctic is a region. Okay, it's a geographical area. So before Arctic we are writing the article the. Okay, so let's take one more example here. The example is hiking across. So hiking across the Himalayas. Hiking across the Himalayas would be difficult. Hiking across the Himalayas would be difficult. Would be difficult. So here again we can see that we are writing the Himalayas. That means before a mountain, writing the name of a mountain range, we are using the. So in your book only 10 uses of the articles given, and I have explained all these 10 uses here. There are so many other uses of the article, but as in your book only 10 uses are given, that's why I am explaining only these 10 uses here. So this is enough for today. Thank you and have a nice day.